Hello YouTube, this is my first unboxing on this channel and it's unboxing of pop filter, as you can see here, for my microphone. And I got this pop filter because one of my subscribers suggested that I should get pop filter for my microphone, and I said why not. So here it is. So let's open the box. So here is place, sorry. So here is place to open it, and here it is, the pop filter. It has that nice little web that will help me, and this thing will screw on my microphone. I'm going to screw it, and I think this will improve sound quality of my videos, so I'm going to use it in my videos for voiceovers. And that's it for this video, and bye.